Hi guys, my name is Amanda Haynes and I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the MELLO group in St. Cloud today. You have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, a little over 1,800 square feet. Follow me inside and I will show you around. This is a Cali floor plan, which starts at a base price of $466. You have a total of 4 bedrooms. There's 2 bathrooms and 1,828 square feet. Over here you have a nice coat closet by the front door. You have a full-size bathroom shared between your 2 bedrooms. Some of your standard features include carpet in the bedrooms. And if you have school-age children, you're zoned for Narcoossee Elementary, Narcoossee Middle, and Harmony High School. This is the model home, so it's made wheelchair accessible, but there will be a shower and tub in that bathroom, making it a full-size bathroom. You have your 2nd bedroom, adorably decorated as a nursery. You have your closet over here. You're in St. Cloud, but you're not far from Lake Nona, and you have easy access to Narcoossee and 417. You have a linen closet. This would be your garage. And your laundry room. You can make this your 3rd bedroom or have it as your den. Now that you've seen the first 3 bedrooms at the front of the home, we'll jump into the kitchen where you have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a corner pantry giving you lots of space for storing your canned foods. And over here is your dining area. You can fit 6 people at a table comfortably. And then you have the sliding glass doors taking you out to your covered lanai. This one has a great water view. You can see the walking trails. There is a playground at this community. If you like to fish, about 2 miles away you have a boat ramp taking you into Lake Toho. This is a spacious family room. And then last we come into your primary bedroom suite. If you're looking for an inventory home, there's a handful available, starting at a base price of $467,990. For more information, please don't hesitate to call or send me a text. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more video tours like these. Hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye, everyone.